Hey guys, welcome back to my next video. So I'm going to tell you guys that we're going to see. There's that convection developing now. Yeah, the radar is getting lit up. It's starting to form. Yeah, storms are beginning to form. That's a good sign. We need that to start happening. So the more that these clouds could soon be cumulonimbus clouds as the next couple of hours. So we're watching out for the potential for but storms to Ohio, them things are looking kind of severe. Some of them storms though, any storm that pops up to my kids that could be severe. So I gotta watch these clouds, pay attention to that. I think they're gonna add in a marginal slight risk back towards Ohio, because them storms are nasty as I speak. They could, if they start developing severe storm warnings, look. That line cloud is a sign of a storm. I hope we don't get none of them clouds today. Or that means this time we're going to see a big storm develop. Look at them clouds. That's going to be our thunderhead. I guarantee it. I guarantee it too. That's going to be our first thunderhead over here. Look at that over there, too. They're overcoming the line clouds today. Well, see, that line cloud, it just went over it. Oh, yeah, this is something. That's likely these clouds over here are likely to be our first storms. All of them are. Yep, I think that's gonna be popped up. See, they're already popping up back there now too. So, if we can get a severe storm to form, that'll be nice. That's gonna be a big storm head if that thing develops. That's gonna be big. That's gonna be something big. Something's forming. Look at that cloud right there. It's getting ready to blow up. Yeah! Okay. Yeah. That's just giving me the idea that something is about to. Things are popping up. Things are getting ready to. Things are popping up like crazy now, guys.